First, we need to insert the SIM card to the A9 panel and switch on. And then open the application of A9. And first you need to create the account. Import the panel name and the telephone number. And the default password 1111 and OK. Enter the account. Send successfully. Okay. Now we check the IP camera. Input flash first. You will see the camera IP address and choose this one. Import the default password 123. Save. And now you can arm or disarm the IP camera. Here, click for two-way video call. Hello?